This winter was very long and cold. We had lots of storms and high winds, and it was just a lot of snow than any other winter. The weather network said that for the past 2.5 years, this year was the worst in terms of the amount of snow and bad weather that we had. So, we are over here on this tiny little homestead, and we are grateful that we are alive and well, and that our family is healthy, and that we have clothes and shoes and so many things to be thankful for, even if winter is still dragging itself and doesn't want to leave and allow spring to come. So while we wait, we will enjoy the beauty of winter, because winter is beautiful. It's not so gloomy as everyone may think. There's lots of things to enjoy in winter. And so my family and I have been trying to get out of the house and walk and enjoy the birds, the fresh air, the fresh smell of pine, and also do lots of indoor chores and keep ourselves busy while we wait for spring. beautiful, gorgeous day outside today. And so we're taking a walk on a beautiful trail. It's very sunny, but don't be fooled by the sunniness. It's quite cool, but the sun is making it much better. So my family and I struggling along, trying to get some fresh air and trying to stay in the winter spirit. We're longing for spring. Today seems like a spring day because of the beautiful sunshine. So we wait and we hope, and in the meanwhile, we walk in the bright sunshine whenever it comes out, and we wait patiently for spring. So, what are you doing today? Are you too waiting patiently for spring? Or are you all curled up in a ball at home by the fire, trying to keep warm? And are you thinking about gardens? Are you thinking about spring? Are you thinking about flowers and daffodils and the first tulips that's gonna spring when spring has sprung? I am thinking those thoughts too as I stand here in this beautiful, amazing forest and hope that in a couple of weeks all the snow will be melted and I can start my spring garden and I can welcome all the buds and take a look at all the awakening trees and flowers and shrubs.